Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Melt 2 tablespoons butter in a saucepan over low to medium heat. Don't brown the butter. Add 2 tablespoons wheat flour and whisk constantly to form a smooth roux. Cook that roux for about 3 to 4 minutes until it darkens slightly and loses the raw flour taste. Slowly pour in 1 cup cold or warm milk while whisking to prevent lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and continue whisking until it thickens into a smooth, pourable sauce. After adding milk, maintain a gentle simmer and whisk constantly for 3 to 5 minutes to fully thicken the sauce. If the sauce is too thick, add milk in 1 tablespoon increments until you reach the desired consistency. Aim for 3/4 to 1 1/4 cups total milk depending on how thin or thick you want it. If it is too thin, simmer a bit longer, whisking frequently. Use a low heat to avoid scorching and stir the pan bottom to prevent sticking. Finish the sauce by seasoning with about 1/4 tsp salt, a pinch of black pepper, and optionally a pinch of grated nutmeg for warmth. For a richer texture, stir in 1 tablespoon grated cheese or 1 tablespoon cream at the end. Use the white sauce immediately on pasta, steamed vegetables, or in casseroles and gratins. It will thicken as it cools. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.